Hi everyone, this video is all about text, information, and media. Here's what you're going to learn from this video: the different types of text and typeface, common file formats, and design principles and elements. I'm Marylie and I'm a licensed professional teacher. I post recorded lectures here on YouTube with less to no editing for a raw and natural feel. Please excuse my voice today because sadly I have a runny nose, but I have to record this because this is long overdue, so I have to do it. Let's start. Let us define the word text. According to OxfordLearnersDictionaries.com, text is any form of written material. Just as simple as that, any form of written material. That is text. Here's another definition. Text is any human readable sequence of characters that can form intelligible words. In other words, text is anything that conveys a set of meaning. It can be handwritten, printed, or displayed on screen. We have three types of text. Mainly, this is in the context of media and information. First, we have hypertext. Hypertext serves to link different electronic documents and enable users to jump from one to other in a non-linear way. The keywords here are link and jump from one to other. Please look at the examples. Go to my Facebook page. The Facebook page here is the hypertext. When we point our mouse cursor right there and click it, we will be redirected to another web page. And then there's a Shopee link. That's actually a real link, by the way. You can check it out for mild and gentle skincare products. This is a shameless plug, everybody. But anyway, that's also a hypertext, and I know you are already familiar to it. Next, we have plain text or unformatted text. Fixed size characters having essentially the same type of appearance. So, the key phrase here is the same appearance. So, one of the best example is when you open a new text document or notepad on your computer. You can write there anything like a resume and all the characters are the same. That's it. So, kaya nga plain text. It's plain and it's dull with no additional creative style whatsoever. That's plain text or unformatted text. The third one is formatted text. This is the complete opposite of the plain text. Appearance can be changed using font parameters like bold, underline, italic, font size, and font color. One example is when you write a resume on Microsoft Word and you change some fonts and color, that is considered formatted text. And also the text you see on billboards, posters, flyers, advertisements, and so on, they are formatted text. Okay, so we have a surprise quick question here to see if you can remember the three types of text I just discussed. So, what are the three types of text? Okay, the answer is hypertext, plain text or unformatted text, and formatted text. Very good. Okay, here's another question. Hyperlink is used to enable users to go to another link text by point and click method. Is it true or false? Right? The answer is true. Okay, very good. Now, let's go to the next topic, the typeface. It is a collection of letters, and it refers to the presentation or style of a text in the digital format. It is also called as font or font type. So, minsan, para maiba naman, gamitin niyo yung word na typeface instead of font. Kasi pwede naman, magkapareho lang sila ng ibig sabihin. Now, before we dig in about typeface, Let's talk a little about typography. So, typography is the art and technique of arranging letters and text to make written language legible, readable, and appealing when displayed. One part of typography includes typefaces. So, now let's discuss the different types of typeface. The first one is the serif. It connotes formality, usually used for body text of books, newspapers, magazines, and research publications. It gives a classic or elegant look when used for a title or heading. So, the examples of serif typeface are Times New Roman, Garamond, Georgia, and Palantino. And there are 5 subcategories of serif typeface. We have old style, slab, transitional, modern, and glyphic. So take a look at these examples. So we can describe the serif typeface as traditional, respectable, reliable, and elegant. Okay, that's the serif. The next type of typeface is the sans serif. So it brings a minimalist look to the text. It lacks the serifs that the serif font styles have. So kung hindi nyo pa alam kung anong ibig sabihin ng sans, it means without. So it basically means without the serif. So the letters require less space. So I will elaborate it later on. So examples of sans serif typeface are Arial, Helvetica, Futura, and Calibri. The subcategories are square, humanist, grotesque, and geometric. So these are the examples of sans serif. So we can describe the sans serif typeface as clean looking, clear, it has a clarity, and then modern, efficient, and it is straightforward. That's the sans serif. Now let's compare and contrast the serif typeface and the sans serif typeface. On the left side, serifs are semi-structural details or small decorative flourishes on the ends of some of the strokes that make up letters and symbols. So I highlighted it, I encircled it. That's what we call the serif. While on the right side, the sans serif does not have those details or flourishes. So as simple as that. Okay? That's the difference of the serif and sans serif. Now we also have the slab serif. This typeface is bold and thick and is usually used for billboards or advertisements in large size. So here's an example of the slab serif. As you can see, it is bold and thick and versatile in design. Next type of typeface, we have the script. It is more casual and creative in nature. It is considered personal and elegant, usually used in wedding invitation cards. So examples, Alex Brush, Pacifico, Lobster, and Tangerine. The subcategories are formal, casual, black letter, and calligraphic. So here is the example. So you can describe the script font as elegant, creative, unique, personal, and a little bit emotional. You know, you can see emotions there when you see script fonts. The next one is decorative. So uniquely created mostly for advertising purposes, and it caters a wide variety of emotions like celebration, fear, horror, etc. So examples, chiller, Joker Man, and curls empty. I know that you can see this in Microsoft Word Office. You can explore these typeface. So typically decorative fonts take elements from major typefaces and creatively mix them to create a unique solution for a specific outcome. Okay. The next, yeah. So here's the example for the decorative typeface, and we can describe them as casual, creative, original, flexible, and urban. Okay, so as a summary, here are the types of typeface: serif, sans serif, slab serif, script, and decorative. And if you want to review, you can always rewatch this video. So we will end the part 1 here, and I will be recording the part 2, hopefully when I'm feeling okay. And of course, I will upload it here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you may click the subscribe and the like button as well. I would also love to read your comments and suggestions. Thank you for watching. See ya. Have a great day, everyone.